Hello everyone, welcome to Agile Tech. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find the highest score and the lowest score. And we're going to use a function to do this. We're going to use a function to get this done. Now, the function for the highest is equals to, max. Now, the function for max now is returns the highest value in a set of values and ignores logical values and set. So it's going to return the highest, the largest value, the highest number in what? In that set of values. In this case, in the range, it's going to look through the range. And we talked about range, right? It means combinations of more than one cells. Okay, it's going to look through the range and then it's going to select or return to you the highest possible value. Okay, so I have max, and I'm instead of doing the first value comma, I'm just going to get a range of the total score. Okay, and in this case, I want to see student with the highest score. Okay, across the three terms, I want to see them with the highest score. Okay, so I can say okay, so 220 was the highest score, or possibly the highest average. I think that's the best, to find the highest average and the lowest average. And then we find the total average. Okay. Now, to do this, to get this done, I'm going to do equals to max, just to give you an idea. And I can say, okay, what's the highest average here? 73. So I have here as highest average. I can double click on this so that every value shows. Okay, and I have lowest average because I want to know who the lowest average is. So for the lowest average, I'm going to use this equals to mean. And what mean does is to return the smallest number in a set of values. Yeah, it's going to return the smallest. From that range, it's going to return the smallest value. So I have mean, and I'm going to highlight this. Okay, and I'm going to hit on enter. So in this case, my highest average was 73 and the lowest average was 43. So this gives you an idea. Okay, an idea. Now, cases where you want to calculate the total, the grand total and the grand average. So you could have a grand total here. Okay, so this will be equals to sum. Okay, this is just a bonus section. And the average, to know across the three terms what you did right. So it could be equals to average. Okay, and we have done this in these previous videos, and we have this. Okay, I think it's best to, let's see, do this average. Let's find the total here. Let's see. Let's find the total average for this. Let's see. Average. Let's see if we can get the total average for this. Okay, so 62 across board. Okay, which is not bad. You know, for 6 students having 62 percent is okay. You know, so this is just an idea of finding the lowest and the highest average. In the next video, we'll be looking at how to create charts. Bye bye.